The Treasure of the Lost Kingdom. On a sunny day, Ryu, a young adventurer, lived in a small village. He has longed for heroic tales and legends, and dreamed of one day having a big adventure for himself. One day, Ryu got an old map in the village square. The map showed the location of the once prosperous kingdom of El Dorado. It was said that the kingdom was attacked and destroyed by a mysterious monster a few generations ago. However, the map shows the existence of a large treasure, and Ryu decides to find the treasure. The journey of adventure was side by side with danger. Ryu first consulted the wise man in the village. The wise man said, "Numerous trials and monsters await in the kingdom of El Dorado. Don't forget that mindset." Ryu prepared his weapons and food and left. Through the forest, I climbed a steep mountain and finally arrived at the ruins of the kingdom of El Dorado. It was a place where beautiful flowers bloomed, but at the same time, there was a creepy tranquility. In the ruins, Ryu faced various trials. A huge stone statue attacked him, a mystery to test his wisdom, and he had to fight a terrible monster in the dark. However, Ryu believed in his courage each time and overcame it while remembering friendship. Finally, Ryu arrived at a large treasure trove in the center of the kingdom. There are many golden crowns and jewels there. However, what Ryu saw was not just a material treasure. He met the spirit of the last king of the kingdom, and the king spoke to him. "The true treasure is your friends, trust, and courage. Don't forget that heart and live." Ryu chose only one of the treasures, a small stone that emits light. It was a symbol of the hope of the kingdom and the light that illuminated the future. Ryu decided to return to the village with the stone in his chest. When Ryu returned to the village, he talked about his adventure with his friends and lit a fire of courage in their hearts. And he found out, the end of the adventure is a new beginning.